first off, draw a 12 pieces square, then cut it. Now, grab those old activity and coloring books. Choose any characters or design that you can use for each month. You can also print pictures from the internet. You'll be needing 12 pictures for each month. So, here are all the pictures that I got from Angeline's activity books. Sinulat ko na rin yung mga months sa typewriting saka ko dinikit sa folder. Okay, so you can skip this part. Gusto ko lang siyang coveran ng plastic cover para hindi madaling masira or mapunit. So, kung ayaw nyo naman mag-cover, pwede nyo yung ipalaminate na lang. Pagdidikitin nyo lang yung magkasunod na month using double-sided tape. Just make sure na pantay sila. Now, para naman sa mga dates, you will be needing 14 small squares. Sinipit ko lang yung folder into 14 squares. Then I'll use my marker to write numbers 0 to 3, then another 0 to 9. Now, ididikit ko tong glittered foam canvas dito sa pizza box, saka ko gugupitin. Then I'm going to use these clips that I bought from All Home. You can use other clips if you want to. Using your pencil, put a mark where you want to place those clips, then just glue it using your hot glue gun. Draw a triangle in a bond paper. This will be your guide. But actually, pwede rin namang 3 pieces lang ng popsicle sticks each side ang gagawin nyo. But since I want my shelf much bigger, gugupit ako ng mga maliliit na popsicle sticks pang dugtong. But be careful when you do this kasi madaling masira yung mga popsicle sticks kapag ginugupit sila. So, I used yung mga may kulay na popsicle sticks, but if you don't want the color that is available, pwede nyong bilihin yung brown na popsicle sticks, saka nyo na lang siya pinturahan ng kulay na gusto nyo. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Repeat the process hanggang sa makagawa kayo ng mga up to 19 layers of popsicle sticks. Okay, so this part is optional. I'm going to put a cardboard at the back of my shelf for support. I'm just going to paint it, but if you don't want to paint it, you can cover it with cartolina or wrapper or anything that you want. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Now I'm just going to glue it at the back of my shelf. Okay, so I'm going to use this Elsa and Anna na nagupit ko sa coloring book ni Angeline. I'm going to use this glittery thingy na nakuha ko sa cover ng laruan ni Angeline. I kept it kasi sabi ko pwede ko siyang magamit, and now is the time para magamit ko siya. And I'm going to use this one naman for Anna. It's a glittered foam canvas that I bought from Shopee.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls.
So I'm just going to trace it at the back of my canvas, and I'm just going to cut it.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
So notice here that Elsa and Anna are not facing each other. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trace Elsa backwards.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands,
Wipe your frame before painting it.
through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes before applying second coat. While waiting for the frame to dry, I'm going to glue Elsa and Anna here in this black cartolina. I also added this frozen coat. I wrote this using this metallic craft pen that I bought from Shopee.
And on